Hello, gentlemen. I am Dr. Olivia Parker, and today I want to share something that might just change how your mornings feel. Naturally, safely, and scientifically. If you're a man over 50 and you've noticed that your mornings aren't what they used to be, that energy, that spark, that strength, you're not alone. Millions of men experience a steady decline in performance, energy, and drive after 50. But what if I told you that one simple bedtime habit, a drink made with just 3 natural ingredients, can help restore your vitality overnight? Yes, before you go to bed tonight, you can sip a warm, soothing drink made from pure pomegranate juice, fresh ginger, and warm water. And by morning, your body will have begun to repair blood flow, balance hormones, and recharge your energy levels naturally. This isn't a gimmick or a quick fix, it's science. Let's dive deep into how this works. Part 1. Why men lose performance. After 50, as men age, testosterone levels begin to decline, about 1% per year after age 40. But that's not the only issue. Blood vessels also begin to stiffen. Circulation slows down. Your body becomes less efficient at sending oxygen-rich blood where it's needed most, especially to the pelvic region. According to research published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism, men in their 50s and 60s experience not just a drop in testosterone, but also a reduction in nitric oxide production, the molecule responsible for blood vessel relaxation and circulation. Without enough nitric oxide, blood doesn't flow freely, recovery slows, and energy levels drop. That's why you might feel tired in the morning even after a full night's sleep. And here's the surprising part. Nighttime is actually when your body should be doing the opposite. Repairing, regenerating, and balancing your hormones. So if you give your body the right natural tools before bed, you can turn sleep into your most powerful healing time. That's where this 3-ingredient bedtime drink comes in. Part 2. The science behind the bedtime drink. This drink is simple. 1 cup of warm water, 1/2 cup of pure pomegranate juice, 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger. Mix it, stir it, and sip it slowly, 30 minutes before bed. Let's talk about what happens once you drink it. Ingredient 1. Pomegranate juice. Pomegranate is one of nature's most powerful sources of antioxidants, especially polyphenols and ellagic acid. A study published by the University of California, Los Angeles, UCLA, found that pomegranate juice increases nitric oxide activity in the blood by up to 20%. What does that mean for you? Better blood flow, stronger arteries, and improved oxygen delivery, especially to the pelvic region. Another study in the International Journal of Impotence Research found that men who drank pomegranate juice daily for just 4 weeks reported improved performance and satisfaction. Pomegranate also protects testosterone-producing cells in the testes. Research from the University of Edinburgh found that pomegranate extract increases testosterone levels by up to 24% in healthy men after 2 weeks of daily use. So with every sip, you're feeding your body the raw material it needs to restore male vitality from within. Ingredient 2. Fresh ginger. Ginger isn't just a kitchen spice. It's one of the oldest medicinal roots known to man. It's a natural vasodilator, meaning it helps open blood vessels and improve circulation. A 2012 study published in the Journal of Reproductive Biology and Endocrinology showed that daily ginger supplementation significantly increased testosterone levels in men. It also boosted sperm count and improved blood flow to the testes. Ginger is rich in gingerol and zingerone, compounds that reduce inflammation and improve insulin sensitivity, which in turn helps your body use energy more efficiently. But here's something most people don't know. Ginger helps your body release luteinizing hormone, a key hormone that signals your body to produce more testosterone naturally. So while you sleep, ginger helps your endocrine system activate, leading to stronger hormonal balance by morning. Ingredient 3. Warm water. It might seem simple, but warm water is vital. At night, your body temperature drops, and your blood thickens slightly as you sleep. By adding warm water, you help improve circulation and support the absorption of the nutrients from ginger and pomegranate. Warm water also helps your liver and kidneys flush toxins during the night, freeing your body to focus on hormone recovery and repair instead of detoxification stress. It's the perfect base for your nighttime restoration drink. Part 4. The nighttime ritual that transforms your mornings. Here's how to make it part of your nightly routine. Step 1. About 1 hour before bed, finish your dinner and avoid heavy fatty foods. Step 2. 30 minutes before bed, prepare your drink. Warm water, pomegranate juice, and freshly grated ginger. Step 3. Sit somewhere quiet, no screens, and sip it slowly. Step 4. Take 3 deep breaths and consciously relax your shoulders and jaw. This signals your nervous system to switch into rest and repair mode. Step 5. Go to bed in a cool, dark room. Repeat this every night for 14 days. And you'll start noticing the difference. Better energy in the morning, better focus during the day, and yes, better performance where it truly matters. Part 5. The science of blood flow and performance. Let's look deeper at why blood flow matters so much for men over 50. When you were younger, your arteries were elastic. Blood could flow freely, delivering nutrients and oxygen to every cell. As you age, cholesterol, sugar, and inflammation begin to narrow those vessels. According to a study in the Journal of Urology, up to 70% of performance issues in older men are linked directly to poor circulation, not necessarily hormone levels alone. So when you improve your circulation, you automatically improve energy, recovery, and function. That's why this drink works, because it targets the root cause, not the symptom. Pomegranate and ginger together increase nitric oxide levels, improve endothelial function, and help blood vessels stay flexible. And when combined with the natural testosterone support they offer, your body starts working like it used to. Part 6. Sleep. The forgotten key to male vitality. Most men underestimate the power of sleep. But testosterone production peaks during deep sleep, especially REM stages. If you're not sleeping deeply, you're not producing enough testosterone, no matter what supplements you take. Research from the University of Chicago found that just 1 week of poor sleep can lower testosterone by up to 15%. This is why this drink works best at night. It helps you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer, giving your body the full window it needs to regenerate. The ginger calms inflammation and digestion. The pomegranate balances hormones and enhances nitric oxide. And the warm water soothes your body into relaxation. By morning, your body has spent 7 to 8 hours in repair mode instead of stress mode. Part 7. Supporting lifestyle tips. Now, let's make this even more effective. Here are 5 small habits that can supercharge this nighttime drink. Walk 20 minutes after dinner. Gentle movement helps your blood vessels expand and keeps blood sugar stable. Avoid alcohol before bed. It disrupts REM sleep and hormone production. Eat more zinc-rich foods. Like pumpkin seeds, oysters, and beans, these support testosterone. Limit processed sugar. Sugar kills nitric oxide and inflames arteries. Hydrate through the day. Most men mistake thirst for fatigue or low energy. Combine these with your nighttime drink, and within a few weeks your energy, mood, and stamina will all begin to rise. Part 8. The results you can expect. Within 3 to 5 nights, most men notice better sleep. By week 2, morning energy improves. By week 3, circulation and performance begin to normalize. It's not magic. It's your body returning to balance. You're giving it the fuel, the flow, and the rest it needs to function as it was designed to. Part 9. Scientific references. Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism. Testosterone decline after 40. University of California, Los Angeles. Pomegranate increases nitric oxide. International Journal of Impotence Research. Pomegranate improves performance. Journal of Reproductive Biology and Endocrinology. Ginger raises testosterone. Harvard Medical School, sleep and testosterone link. University of Chicago, sleep deprivation lowers testosterone. Journal of Urology, performance and blood flow correlation. Gentlemen, remember this. Your body isn't broken. It's simply waiting for the right signals to heal itself. This bedtime drink is one of the simplest, most natural ways to help your body do what it's designed to do: restore, repair, and reignite your vitality. You don't need harsh pills, risky treatments, or complicated routines. You just need to give your body the right tools and let nature do the rest. So tonight, before bed, pour yourself a glass of warm water, mix in pure pomegranate juice, add a touch of fresh ginger, and take a moment to appreciate what your body can still do. Because age is just a number. And with the right habits, your best mornings are still ahead of you.